guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm back. It it has been a very long time since my last upload. I think my last upload was the about the show last January, right? So that was the show that got I had a video that got banned, but it blew up like 100,000 views, and I was not I wasn't focusing on my channel that time. I was just uploading those videos because I don't have time, or I don't have a lot of time to edit these unboxing videos. But then it got copyrighted, and it get this it got banned from my channel. But it is very I was very thankful for that because my channel blew up, not that big. But thank you so much for the new subscribers from different countries. Thank you for the 300 plus subscribers, and of course I'm not forgetting about the giveaways. Thank you so much, besties. So coming back, so this video is the season's greeting of Blackpink this 2021, and it is very late, I know, but I want to share to you guys how beautiful this is. And it is really pretty. It is expensive, but it is really pretty. It is really worth the money. And all the packages, all the contents, how beautiful, how amazing they are in this season's greetings. And of course, I'm also using its diary. Though I know the other blinks there, the other collectors there don't use the diary for, I think, for reselling purposes, or I don't know, for treasure purposes. But I like for me, I like using the things that I bought, especially when it's really this expensive. I like displaying them, using them like these diaries. So without any further talks, here's the unboxing video of the Blackpink Season 2021. Bye guys, and I will be right back for the winners of the official postcards from the album of Blackpink. So go guys. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, it's really pretty, right? So here's our winner for the giveaway of our 300 subscribers milestone. So first is the winner of the official mounted photocard of the album from Blackpink. I mean from the album of Blackpink. So he is or she is Purple Means. Congratulations! And please don't forget to DM me on my Twitter. I already commented on your comments. And then the other one, the winner of our one postcard, Jennie official postcard from the album of Blackpink, is Violetic Bangti. I mean Violetic Bangtan. So those are our winner for this 300 milestone. So I decided to just give the one Jennie postcard, one Jennie postcard from the album. I have another one for our 800 followers. I mean 800 subscribers milestone. And then for our 900, I think I will give 5. I will give 5 Polaroid photocards. I mean, or photocards, an official photocard set of Blackpink for the 5 winners on our 900 subscribers milestone. And for our 1000 subscribers milestone, I'm going to give away the grand prize, which is the album of Blackpink, and you can choose whatever version you'd like to have. And then that's it. I will link the video here so you can still join the giveaway. And then please support my channel, and thank you so much all for subscribing, for all those 300 plus subscribers. And please continue to support my channel, and please wait for your other contents like unboxing of other albums from Blackpink. So that includes the other version of the album, the album of Rose, and the kit version album of Rose. And that's it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like and share this video. Bye bye.